Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to check the oil in your Fiat 500. First, ensure your car is parked on a level surface. It's important that the engine is warm, but not hot, so drive it for a bit, then turn it off. Give the oil about 5 to 10 minutes to drain back into the oil pan before proceeding. This preparation ensures you get an accurate reading. Now, open your hood and locate the engine oil dipstick. It usually has a brightly colored handle, often yellow or orange, making it easy to spot. Carefully pull the dipstick out of its tube. Once it's out, use a clean cloth or paper towel to thoroughly wipe off all the oil. This step is crucial for getting a precise measurement. With the dipstick clean, reinsert it all the way back into its tube until it's fully seated. Wait a moment, then pull it out again. This time, observe the oil level on the dipstick. You'll see 2 marks, typically indicating minimum and maximum levels. Your oil should ideally fall somewhere between these 2 marks for optimal engine health. If your oil level is below the minimum mark, you'll need to add more. Consult your owner's manual for the correct type and amount of oil for your Fiat 500. Add small amounts at a time, rechecking the dipstick frequently to avoid overfilling, which can also cause problems. Remember, consistency is key for engine longevity. Also, for other great deals and to upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.